To embroider an oyster stitch, start with a twisted chain stitch. One leg is slightly longer than another. Instead of anchoring the stitch, pass the needle under the longer leg. Then, move the thread around and push the needle inside the fabric, inside the loop. Now you can anchor the loop and finish the stitch. To make another oyster stitch, repeat the steps. First, make a twisted chain stitch. Then, wrap the thread around and finish with an anchoring stitch. Oyster stitch is a wonderful technique to embroider small flowers. Position your stitches in the nice circle with the same starting point and you will get a textural small flower. Besides that, you can use this stitch to make petals of the plants. On the reverse side, oyster stitch will look like two straight stitches positioned close to each other.